What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today going to be a quick mod on my Mk6 Gti. There was a part that just came through the mail and I'm super excited to put it on, and I just can't wait, so I'm just going to do it right now. I figured I'd show it to you guys like last minute, so let's take a look at it. I already took it apart just to kind of see how it looks and how it feels, because I was really excited to install these parts. What I was really waiting on is this right here. This will be the new shift knob for the DSG setup, and I'm so happy I got this. I'm very excited to put this on the car. I think it will be a great addition to it. So let's go ahead and put this on the car. I'm super excited. So we're in the cabin. I'm super excited. Car's kind of dirty, but I mean, forgive me for that. I'm just, like I said, really excited to put this on. I've been waiting for this for so damn long, but I definitely want to share it with you guys. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Hitting that like button will be a huge help for me. And again, thank you for revisiting my channel. Hope you enjoy this as much as I'm going to enjoy this as well. Let's get down to it. So we can start with we can start from here, or we can start up here. I want to start down here to get this over with. So to get this, it's pretty much going to be removing this cover right here. When lifted up, you want to kind of have to like squeeze this and pull upward. So now I don't really have a free hand, but I'm gonna try my best to show it to you guys. So I have my tool right here to help me pry it out. See if I can pry it out from this side. Maybe get away over here. There we go. So we got something right here. Pops it up. Got that loose. Lift it up. Oh, real quick, I recommend you guys to put it in neutral right in the center, so you have clearance on both sides. If you put it in park, you're not going to have that much room. This is going to be in the way. So to have it in neutral, not in reverse, but in neutral, you turn the car off and then you can pull it up. Now you know, let's get to it. So now after loosening that, we're going to look from the inside. And from the inside, you can see right down here there's a zip tie, so we're gonna get some kind of cutting tool. We're gonna cut that off. Alrighty, so got it open, we got it off completely, cut that off. Now we can pull this more, get some more clearance. Let me try this, guys. So for what I understand, you want to squeeze this, squeeze it and then pull upward. So let's give that a shot. You're going to squeeze that tab right here and just pull. And there you have it. Got it out. So this is what controls the shifter. So this is like a little lock. So when it goes down, it locks in place. So it has to lift up to get out of like park or like from reverse and stuff like that. So we got to keep in mind when we install a new one, something has to go through here so we can lift and control it. For the shift knob, to install it, you have to get the ball itself off. So it's a screw. So you just turn that. Just gonna let you guys know, for this specific part, there's gonna be a little spring that pops up, so keep in mind of that. So when you turn it, you're gonna feel like a little spring. It's nothing too heavy duty, but it's gonna pop up. So once that pops up, and there we go. See that? See that little spring? So you want to go ahead, put that ball and everything else in a safe place right here. All right, guys. So finally understand how this system works. So now I already adjusted it, so it'd be a lot easier for me to explain to you. So you want to lift this up to a point where the bottom is at its max. Mainly reason why, because that's why this one is all the way up. Because the thing you want to do, this won't travel, this won't move, but the one outside will. So I'm saying, so there's actually a limit to travel it gives. So this is all the way in the bottom, and it goes up at the top. So when you adjust this inner shaft, it actually has to travel as high as you can without lifting the whole, without releasing or disengaging the shifter. So once you hit to that point, you want to go ahead and tighten the Allens down here. These are 2.5 Allens. Once you tighten it up, you pretty much adjusted the right height. Once you start from that proper height, then this is a travel. And then from there, you want to go ahead and see if it works. So now, if it's completely disengaged, engaged, right? So I can't move it to park. But if I lift it up, it's disengaged, I can move it to park and then let go. So see how cool that is? So now we have an idea where it is. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all these up. Remember, like I said, there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna tighten all those up to make sure it stays where it is. You don't have to tighten it too tight because this is an aluminum shaft. So you just want to have a nice snug grip. So all that shifting back and forth, it won't really slide anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up. And then we're gonna go ahead and adjust the boot into the perfect height. My recommendation, when you adjust the boot, you want to have it right down here, this area. You kind of want to have it cover this part right here at least. So probably zip tie from the inside, but zip tie around this point and then fold it out downward, so it'll cover this part, and all it shows is this little edge right here, and then the rest of the shifter itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this last 3 right now, and then we move on to the boot. So this is how it looks after we zip tie it. So I just got it tight right over this part that we explained last time, right over that part. All we got to do now, push it down. I won't secure this yet, but I'll push this down so you can give an idea. So this is how it's supposed to look. So it looks really decent right now. I don't like this boot personally. I would like to get a suede boot, but that's down the road. I just want this sucker to work, and I'm so close to getting it done. So now we put that together. What's left really is this spring right here. Just put that in like so. And you just got the ball right here. Put that through here, and then there's a thread. You just turn it until it tightens up. Tighten that up, and boom, nice and tight. It's nice and tight. So how this works now, you hold the shift knob, and you pull this half up. So that's how it works. So this what slides. So the ball doesn't travel, but the shaft, or the sliding shaft, that's what's sliding. So let me go ahead and secure everything else, and then we test it out. So nice and secure. Awesome. So let's see how it works. Let's lift. So you lift this part right here, boop, go down, go up. That's park. So that's how the boot looks. I'm in reverse, up, neutral, up, drive, and sport. So awesome. It looks good. I actually prefer this. I just love the feel of it already. So smooth and easy. I just like the quality of it. I like it. I can't wait to give this a try, especially when I drive it tomorrow and see how it feels. Especially when you put it into sport mode. Just like the feeling of hitting it, moving it, traveling it back and forth. Awesome. Now, we got that over with. We're gonna go for the easier part, which is for the shift pedal. So these, I'm not removing these actually. I'm actually just gonna stick it on top. So let me give you an idea. So this is on the left side, and it's gonna be over this point right here. So once you put the sticker on, it's nice and secure, and it's gonna have that nice look. It's really simple, guys. Remove this 2-sided tape, install it back here, just kind of hold it for a little bit, you know, give it like 10 Mississippis, and it should stick on perfectly fine. And that's it, guys. So if you can see right here, after I remove the double-sided tape, I just simply line it up as close as I can, and then pretty much put it on the paddle shifters. That's what I was supposed to call it. I don't know why that didn't hit me in the time, but hit the paddle shifters. So now I just hold it down for like 10 Mississippis, and I did the same thing on the plus side. So like I said, it only fits one way, guys, and it's obviously pretty simple. Plus for plus and minus for minus. So right now, all of this right now looks good. So the fact that I have this new pedal right here is pretty cool. I can even use this upper half of it. It won't fall out or anything, but it's pretty cool. Feels pretty nice as well. It gives you that like metallic finish. I love how simple and like almost OEM plus kind of vibe, where it's not too aggressive, it's not too colorful. It actually blends in with the background to a point where you have to look at it again like, oh, that's nice. Got a nice paddle shifter here, you know. And then for the shifter itself, if you can see right here, I love how it feels. Feels very, very smooth. Now my concern is, you know, when the sun hits it, is it gonna be uncomfortable? Because the reason why I chose not to get a metal for this shifter comparing to the paddle shifters here, the reason why I choose not to get a metal shift knob is because when that sun hits it, it's gonna be very uncomfortable. It's gonna be stupid hot, and you be trying to grab it or whatever, and it's just unbearable. So there was multiple options that came to my mind. One of them was using a suede. I thought suede would be nice, but you know, it gets dirty really fast and stuff like that. It's kind of high maintenance. So I wanted something kind of simple and just easy to clean, you know, easy to touch, not gonna be a pain in the ass, all that stuff. And I've chose to got this one. Took a while, but it was worth the time. I'm telling you guys, I love it. I'm very happy with the results on both ends. Looks really good. And on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Real quick, guys, the fact that I drive this car pretty much every day, I'm gonna give you guys my real feedback on my realistic feedback on all this after like I say, maybe a week or so. I'm gonna give you guys my feedback on how it feels every day under certain conditions, hot, cold, especially for the paddle shifters. Maybe it's a good idea, the fact that I got metal, maybe it's not, I don't know. But definitely gonna give you my feedback on both of them, see if it's actually worth the money, how's it holding up, and then maybe do another one, like, you know, down the road and stuff like that. But if you guys really are interested into those kind of reviews, please leave a comment on what exact review you want me to give on whatever I have done or installed or whatever is on the car, and I'd be more than happy to give you a honest review and some details about it if it's anything wrong with it. But again, I'm so happy with this, guys. It looks so good, sounds pretty good too. So thanks again, guys. Peace.